Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Litecoin from Binance to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets for better security, lower fees, or just to diversify, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and Kraken, and that your Litecoin is safely stored in your Binance wallet. Always double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your funds secure. It's 2025, and cyber threats are more sophisticated than ever. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet, or Funding Wallet, where your Litecoin is held. Once there, find Litecoin in your asset list and click on Withdraw. Next, you'll need your Kraken wallet address. Jump over to Kraken, log in, and go to your wallet. Copy the Litecoin deposit address. Don't mix it up with other cryptocurrencies, as that could lead to permanent loss. Back on Binance, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. You'll see details like the network, probably Litecoin's own blockchain, estimated fees, and transaction time. Once you're good, confirm the withdrawal. Binance will process it, and you'll get a transaction ID. Now, switch to Kraken and check your wallet for the incoming transfer. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network conditions. Once it shows up, you're all set. A quick word of caution: always verify addresses and amounts to avoid scams or errors. In 2025, with advanced DeFi integrations, double-check for any additional steps like KYC updates on Kraken. If you run into issues, both exchanges have solid support teams. There you have it. That's how you transfer Litecoin from Binance to Kraken in 2025. It's a simple process, but staying vigilant is key. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.